Hi there, my name is Lucas. This is my sign name, and I'm a freshman and a member of the Raza de Sword Club. The reason it's important to me is because I have family in Mexico, and I want to learn more about their tradition and diverse foods and language and all of that. The reason it was important for me to join the Gender Sexualities Alliance Club is because there are some who are on a journey of discovering gender and identity. A favorite activity is they'll have discussions and creative ideas and come up with parties and plan for activities for other people who aren't involved and want to experience the fun. Now, what's this club about? Well, we're here to expose you all to learn more about Black history and for elementary and middle school students to have Black role models to look up to and encourage them to and get involved in more clubs. A favorite project of mine is during open house where we sell food and fry bread.